I just went blindly into Google Maps in my vibe coding series where I found a random city and a random business with a terrible looking websites from the 90s. And here it is right here. Look at this thing. I mean, this looks like literally was made in 1998. And guess what? I just rebuilt it using AI Studio by Google. Here is the results. This website that I just built took me about 7 minutes. And in this video, I show you step by step how to do this. It has all the pages. It has all the services. It has all the images, the graphics, everything you would need for a full-blown website that you could charge thousands of dollars for and start building out, whether you're building a website agency or you just need some extra cash. It's all possible with AI. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to show exactly how you could do this, how you could sell these websites and start making real cash. But look at this. What website would you trust more? This one right here or this one right here? I mean, it's night and day. Brand new, modern, sleek, super high quality. You start getting paid for these sites today. If you just commit the time, watch this video, learn how it works, and of course, ring them up and sell them this website and all the other services that you possibly want. Let's get into it. But you guys know the rules. If you've seen my channel, it's time to do the double deckers because I am a blind bat and I won't be able to see my screen. So let's get into it. All right, so first things first is we need to pick a random city. So I'm gonna close my eyes so there's no cheating. And we're gonna double click, then we're gonna zoom in. And now we got Adams Crossing. Oh, we are in the wilderness. Let's see if there's any business here. Jonas Taxidermy. Oh, you can't make this up. If they have a nice website, I'm going to be shocked. They actually don't even have a website, so that's not going to work. So let's just find one that has a website, though. That's actually pretty funny, though. Jonas Taxidermy. If you ever see this, I'm sorry, we can't build you a website. So let's see what else we got. So let's just look for the most closest business. Here we go. Here's some other ones. These will look like houses. All right, here's some more. We got a church right here. We got a cemetery. Oh, man, that's some depressing places. Here's another cemetery. What is this? Cemetery Row? Are there any businesses around this place? All right, here we go. We got something. We got a city. So now let's close my eyes. Let's go right here. Zoom in. I'm honestly shocked at how many places don't have websites. This is crazy. I've been looking for 5 minutes for a website. What is going on here? Hydrant services. All right, we got one. First website in literally... Oh, this one's pretty good. Yeah, that's looking pretty rough. We got a winner. RAS, Roger Hydrant Services. We're coming to the rescue, baby. All right, so here we go. This is perfect, actually. This definitely looks like a site that was built in 1993. We have all the different pages. So let's start cooking this up. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to build on the left side here, and then we're going to paste our prompt. I wanna completely overhaul this website. I wanna feel like $1,000,000. I want it to be modern, I want it to be slick, but I also want it to be on brand. I want you to use the best libraries for UI and UX, animations, rollover buttons. I want the website to feel like a high quality service, business website. I want you to scrape all of the data from the website. I don't want you to change anything, just add a bunch of images to make sure all the pages are there, and I want it to be completed from start to finish. So this is very important, is you want to include as much of this kind of context for the natural language so it understands what you're trying to accomplish. Because if I just say remake this website, it's going to look like the original website. So the one thing I want to do also is I also want you to fill in with all of the standard sections for websites like this. Header, footer, navigation, galleries, testimonials, and anything else you would recommend to make this website complete. Let it rip. All right, let's see what it cooks up. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I run a community called AI Builders. It's on the school platform, and we have 482 members all in here building, vibe coding, launching businesses from mobile applications to SaaS businesses. People are doing websites like this and actually selling them. If you guys are interested, we have a ton of people. So the whole idea of this is it's a community of builders, all the way from people with no experience, all the way to full stack developers. We're in 52 different countries, which is super exciting. And also we have classrooms around every topic that you would possibly imagine. Coming up with your idea, building it, the foundations around vibe coding. And then also we have lovable training, work training, all the different tools that we use. We have a travel business in a box, the marketing for it, but I just wanted to guys let you know it's a little selfless plug, but the idea is all of us working together, and we just got our first. Oh, look at this. Reliable hydrant solution for a safer tomorrow. Are you kidding me? This is a one prompter, expert services for every need, on brand, building safety into every bolt and valve, 25 years of experience. What? Look at this. Ready to secure your infrastructure. Contact info. This is wild. Services, about us, gallery. Oh my God. This is incredible. So we got some things to fix, but what an incredible first prompt. I love this header image actually. So this is why it's important to add those little things in there. Make it feel like $1,000,000. I want it to feel high quality. I want all the rollovers, animations. Look at this. It has everything that I wanted in there. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is it didn't look like it took in actually all of our context because the images are kind of just made up. So let's do this next. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the website, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the About page, and it definitely didn't look like it took everything from here. So I'm gonna just copy all this, and then I'm just gonna paste it in. I'm gonna say, use all this text and update. Then I'm just gonna paste that block in there. So we'll start with that one. Then also let's go back, and then we're gonna go into the different sections. So we got utility, that's images, hydrant, construction, specialty, and contact. And then I wanna definitely get all this contact info to make sure that we have all the contact info for him, for the footer. Let's drop that in there. So first thing is getting all of the text to be correct because it didn't look like it actually did it. I thought it would, but it didn't. So we're just gonna have to give it the info. All right, now we got something. Now it's updated with all the correct information. Check this out, Rogers Hydrant Service. It has everything built on hard work and family values, expert services. So now we actually have all the information, all the partners, but the most important is all the content info is down here. So this is all correct now. So this is a good step in the right direction. We have services, we have legacy. So one great feature inside of AI Studio is called annotate. So if you come down here and you click this little annotate button, it brings up this menu. What this gives you is it gives you the ability to fix a very specific part of the website. So see up here how this menu is messed up. So I'm gonna select this right here, this whole menu right there. I'm gonna select it right there. I'm gonna say add to chat, and then I'm gonna say this. Can you make sure the font is black when the white background is active? And also keep the red when it's highlighted. All right, we're gonna let that rip. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna update this little section. Before you couldn't really do this. You just have to kind of type it and say, hey, can you fix the navigation versus going into a very, very specific part of the app in order to fix what you need done. So I'll give you another example in a second. We'll let this finish. All right, the fix is in. So you can see it's white now, but if I scroll down, now you can see that it's black and it also with the logo. So now you can actually see the contrast of it. So everything looks good. So what I wanna do is another section, for example, is here. I'm gonna hit the annotate. Just to show you the power of this, I could just select the box, for example. So add a rectangle. So we're gonna select there, and I'm gonna add to chat, and then I'm gonna say, can you add 10 testimonials and give me pagination so I could go through them? And then we're just gonna let it rip. So pagination just gives you the two little arrows, and then you can go through the different screens. And the great thing with vibe coding is you don't need to know that term. You could just say, hey, I want you to turn these 3 testimonials into more testimonials, and I want to be able to click the left and right buttons and then have the menu slide left to right. You know, that's the idea. So if you know the term, use it. If you don't know the term, it doesn't matter. Okay, and there it is. So now look, we have pagination right here, and we're just going to go forward, and now you have 10 testimonials. Yeah, so as you can see, we're about 13 minutes into this video. The power is incredible what you can now do. If you're looking for a side hustle, if you want to start making money building websites, you could do this in a matter of minutes. And I always recommend be proactive, spend 20 minutes building sites, get a system going, and then reach out to these clients. Say, hey, I just built your website. Here it is for free. If you want me to host it, it's going to be $100, $500, $1,000. We have people in our community that are charging $1,500, $2,000 for these websites that they vibe coded literally in a matter of minutes. And then you figure out the rest, right? What is hosting like? Well, it depends what they have. And you figure out what their hosting company is. You download the code, you host it yourself on Vercel, connect it to their domain, you set it up to their WordPress, however they have it set up. The point is those are all problems that are easy to solve once you get the client. And once you start getting going, start with your local businesses that you know, the local restaurant you go to, and build ones for them. So there you go. So now look, we have the logo right there. And then everything else on the website is complete. So this does it for this video. It's an incredible time to be alive, to be in the website service business, because you could really make a lot of money doing this. I always recommend start with simple websites that you could sell. On top of it, you could add AI chatbots, you could add different types of systems, you could add inbound, outbound, voice calling. I mean, there's just so many things you could do, but the goal is to get in the door and start selling these services that are very easy to create nowadays. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to learn more, we have a ton of people in our community doing this exact thing and making real money by going in, reaching out to customers. But the beauty of it now is you could do the site first. Call them on the phone, send them an email, send them a message on Facebook. Here's your free website. Let's talk, right? People see the results and go, wow, I can't believe you actually did this for me. And it opens up that conversation. So hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you in our community if you guys are interested. All the links are below. And definitely go check out the Google products. They are fantastic. And they're making things so much better every single day. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.